we need step by step. So and then we still have a chance. So next stage, but we have to win 2 games more. Yeah, that's why tomorrow match is very important. So I will do my best, and we try to get 3 points tomorrow.
Good morning to everyone. I think tomorrow we have a difficult match. When we play away, we have many problems on the trip, and we lose 3-0. So tomorrow we know that opponent team have more time to prepare this match. The last match that they play was against Sabah, a FEC Cup match, so they have many time. But we want to change a different picture that we show on the game on Vietnam. We know that we have many difficulties on the trip and on the preparation, but tomorrow I want that our team can make a different picture. We know that the position of Indonesia compared with Vietnam, it's different. Vietnam is up on the ranking. Vietnam players are more intense, more aggressive, sometimes more focused, if we go analyze our away match. But tomorrow we want to start to make a different picture. So I hope that tomorrow our team can be focused on the 90 minutes and can give the best performance.
So first, I think we must get 3 points tomorrow, because we lose them 3-0 last away matches. So I'm feeling still great about that match. And then, as you know, Haipon is a strong team, and then they have good players. But for me, I don't care about opponent team, because I think important is ourselves. So we have to try to aggressive more than last away matches. And then I hope our supporters will come to stadium tomorrow. So we have to try. We have to show them a good result tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
We just have this chance if we can win tomorrow. If we not win, we don't have any chance. So we cannot think about what's going to happen after. Before, we must live on the present, and it's very important. I believe that tomorrow Haipong come to try to win us more than 5-0, because Sabah win here 5-0 against us, so they want to win more. Because if you go to analyze Sabah against Haipong, the result is a liar, because Sabah have 4 opportunities and score 4 goals, and Haipong have many chances than them. So I believe that tomorrow we're going to have a strong Haipong. But I want to have a strong PC Makassar, because we cannot show the same picture that we show on the away match. And this is what I hope from our players, from our staff, and also from our supporters. I know that we are not going to play at home on Sulawesi Island, that we are playing on Bali, but it's very important who's come to support us. And also, we are not just playing for PC Makassar, we are playing for Indonesia. This is ranking Indonesia. It's so important, Indonesia national team as club Indonesia. And sometimes I just see promotion from national team. I am from Europe. I see Big Five from Europe, also the others, Portugal, Netherlands, other countries that are near of Big Five. The promotion for the games international are very big. Here we have games that not pass on Indonesia TV. It's amazing how is big difference. But this is my opinion. So please, supporters, tomorrow, if you can, come to support PC Makassar. It's very important.
Yeah. So I think this season very difficult to different is our last season, but I think it's very important. Most important thing is step by step. So I just want to I just want to get 3 points tomorrow, and then I always just focus next match. So we need step by step. So and then we still have a chance. So next stage, but we have to win 2 games more. Yeah, that's why tomorrow match is very important. So I will do my best, and we try to get 3 points tomorrow.